guys, it's Steph from Scent from Heaven. I have got the soap here the next day. Obviously it doesn't look amazing. Well, it's pretty hard, so we'll see how we go with cutting it. So that's what it looks like. Couple of little bubbles there, nothing too bad yet. I will tell you one thing though, it smells amazing. It smells so good. It's definitely one of my favorite candle scents. I think I will have to think about whether or not it's worth trying again with. That's what it looks like on the inside. The yellow isn't as prominent as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to pop out a little bit more. Yeah, I think the yellow probably needed to be a little bit more yellow, but overall it's pretty good. I think I'd do, if I was going to try again, I would possibly do, I don't know, because I think it needs the yellow, the pink and the white. So the white has turned out really good because it looks quite yellow in the main butter. So the white has turned out amazing. I think it needed more yellow and I think it needed less pink. But the pink does look really good mixed through it. I think the In the Pot swirl looks really nice. So I just think these just, the bars look gorgeous. It just set up so fast. I think I was rushing towards the end there and I got it in the mold, but I don't know. It looks really cute though. I'm just gonna put my cutter away. I don't know if I will shave the tops. So if I shave the tops, I will get rid of that or at least flatten it down a little bit, and when I shave the top, it'll expose the coloring, the marbling inside a little bit more rather than having this muddled top. So it'll probably look a little bit more kind of like that, but up top here. I'll see what I want to do with it over the next few days, but that's what these bars look like. Overall, I don't know, they turn out, they look really good, but they accelerated so quickly that it's probably going to be one that I would only really want to do 2 colors with next time. And I don't think that just white and yellow would be the right way to go about it. But I'm super duper happy with these. They look so cute. I think they're just absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.